Saan tayo, anak? Sa Ichiro Ramen House.
Is it like I after the R?
Oh. Ito yung mga best sellers niya. Ganda ng design niya. Parang nasa Japan ka. May samurai ito. So, ready na. Lagyan ko siya ng number. Ito yun. D6. Tapos yun. Amin. Tapos pindutin na natin. Siya. Nagko-connect siya sa Wi-Fi. Oh, nakuha mo na yung menu, Sam? Oh, ayan.
I just getting like, you know, the dish.
Namimili siya. Tapos susulat niya rito, tapos iabot doon. Dito tayo connect. Tapos ito yung order slip. Tapos pag ready na, pipindutin mo lang. O, dito tayo magbabayad. Ayan. Ano order mo? Tingin nga.
Ayan na, special
ayan.
na. Ice cream. Sa ice cream.
Oh, ayan. Ayan natin yung sinasabi niya.
Fresh green tea, red iced tea,
Ayun yung sinasabi niya.
matcha, yasu matcha tea, water. Ano ka nang tinry mo? Red iced tea? Gusto mo try ko yung ano? Yasu matcha tea. Ano ba yasu matcha tea?
Sama mo na rin yung order natin dyan.
Ano?
Sabi niya red iced tea.
Red iced tea.
Sa akin red iced tea.
Si kuya, may drinks ka na kuya?
Ano sa'yo?
Yeah.
Meron na? Ilagay mo na?
Ako. Gusto ko. Ano ginagawa?
Alam ko dapat ano to. Yun.
Ito po. Spicy maki. Thank you. Sarap. Kuya. Ang laki.
Wow, sarap ng order.
Nangingiti si kuya. Sorry. Ay, sorry po. Thank you. Alright.
Wow.
Order.
Yun.
Yeah, order. Thank you.
Ichiryo kote ramen.
Yes.
Ma'am, konyak noodle ma'am. Hindi po nag-fit sa ganitong ramen ma'am. Normal noodles lang po ma'am.
Sige po, normal noodles po.
Kani
Apo.
salad, soft ice matcha, and red iced tea. Dalawa.
Apo.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Bawal palang buksan.
Hello, guys, ready?
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Taco ramen, taco paitan. Normal noodles, flavored egg, ebi fry, and spicy chicken mackerel. Fanta and soft ice Thai matcha.
Yeah. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. This is two ramen or one only?
One only.
This one?
Yeah, one only.
Only one?
Yeah.
Huh?
One.
Okay.
Anak ko sa'yo. Si kuya tapos na.
Takoyaki.
Thank you.
Boss, sarap ng order mo ha.
Wow! May wasabi pa.
May wasabi.
I like the spicy.
Spicy maki roll.
And I got tempura.
Manalo. Anong
Hey,
masasabi?
Masarap siya.
Sarap ano?
And big serving.
Ba?
Almost good for 2C. Meron ang dami kapag natira.
Ako,
Snack lang.
oo, snack lang.
Sa chan daw kasi nalalaman yan.
Hindi, naubos ko naman. Masarap, masarap. Ayan. Ito, sa'yo, Mos.
Already finished like 8 sushis.
May pending order ka pa?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, okay. Ikaw may pending order.
Ice cream. Sama
Ikaw?
na. Comment ka na.
Oh, anong comment mo? Ito. Anong comment mo? Oh.
Order one by one.
Aha.
It may be small. For my point of view, it's small in the picture, but it's big when it comes out. And I didn't finish my food, like I'm still eating. And I ordered dessert, and it was like the big one.
This is your ice cream. Oh, see?
matcha.
Okay. Oh. Ma'am, tanong ko lang, anong lugar to?
Alwasol Port Views po. Almina Road.
Almina, part ng Jumeirah, no?
Jumeirah Port.
Ayun. So, Almina, Jumeirah. Anong si Alwarsal? Alwasal.
Yes.
Okay, Alwasal. Okay.
Pero ice cream.
Oh, yun, ice cream.
Because I heard that some matcha ice cream has so much matcha powder.
O, sa'yo may pending order ka pa.
Yeah.
Anong pending order mo?
It's like the black ice cream, and it was like the big. It's like the black ice cream.
Uh-huh.
It was like in a cup, like this big, but like a little smaller.
So, ikaw may ice cream.
Yeah.
Yung misis ko, may ice cream din. Saka si boss.
Ito sa akin dalawa na, di ba?
Ako lang ang wala.
Ate tayo sabi mo, gusto mo lang.
Ano sa akin yung
Ang
steak?
sarap.
Hindi, ako kasi yung apa lang gusto ko eh.
Hindi, cone.
Okay.
Cone.
Ang sarap. Masarap man.
Ako lang ang walang ice cream eh. Oy, ayun pa. Oh.
Kanino
Wow!
Sinong walang ice cream?
Kanino to?
Yung
Sa'yo ba to? Ay, thank you, mama. Okay, sa'yo, boss. Wow.
walang ice cream.
Ang sasarap ng order nyo. Ako, wala.
Mine will be the best.
Yan.
Wow.
Ganda, ganda. Ganda ng presentation. Tsaka masarap dito.
Mine will be the best.
Oh my!
Wow, ang sarap talaga ng food nila rito.
Yeah, we're just.
What's the taste? It's spicy?
It was a bit cold.
Huh?
It was a bit cold. It's
Alin?
also spicy.
Okay.
Dumating na pala.
Alcohol lang dito. Lagayan daw ng bag, baka makalimutan ko yung bag ko. Ayan. First ang lagay ng bag.
Oh, kain na? Oo.
That's all five.
Boss, later ha, can you order one more tempura for Baba? I like that one, ha? Order for me, ha? Later, no rush.
It's spicy.
What's the taste?
Good.
How about you, Sam? Enjoy?
By the way, I want to go to Japan and reach 1.9 million.
Good.
Only because of one house.
Enjoy ang aking mag-ama.
Okay ba yung parking doon?
Panalo.
Panalo.
Magaling yung driver.
Ba't magbantay?
Yes, me. Fanta.
Complete. Kaya mo.
No, with HP.
Marunong nang magbukas. Hindi na ba? Hindi na ka.
Hello, with HP.
Thank you.
Itong takoyaki niya, napakasarap. Talagang ano siya, special talaga. Pag sinubo mo, para ka nakarating ng Japan.
How about you, Kuya? Are you in Japan now? Ah, it's okay now.
The ice fell down.
Here's the white tissue.
Tidak, tidak. And wow.
Mostly Chiromi videos because I'm a Chiromi fan, and this is how my phone looks right now. This is how my phone looks, and this is my phone background.
Alfa Romeo, ah?
Yeah.
So? Happy ba kayo? Bawi na yan, ha? Bawi.
Yes, me. Ramen ready.
Ramen, thank you.
It's the same thing I ordered, but like less spicy. I like this.
Baba, ito muna. Oh, mainit pa naman. Try mo. So, ito yung special ramen. Madami ito masyado.
Wow.
And nori sir.
Okay, yes. Sarap. Order pa ako nung anong in-order mo, anak? Yung ha? This one?
Tempura.
Ah, okay. Still remember?
What's that?
What
What is that?
Got it from.
There, other side.
Ramen ready.
Wow!
Look at their side.
Uh-oh.
What is this?
Yeah, buffet. Babae yung kay Kuya. Yeah, Kuya, try. Yeah, sorry. This is buffet. See how
The type.
good. Thank you po.
I'll also have dessert.
May alcohol ka dyan, no?
Ito.
Katulad po ng PS5 po. Yan.
Yung tulad nung katabi ko,
Okay.
gusto ko kanya po rin. Tapos yung egg, dalawang set, no? Thank you.
How is the egg?
I didn't eat it yet. It's too
I
big.
think you need to this one dip here and then eat.
Yeah, but like
That's the
the egg
traditional.
fell.
But with, oh, so big egg. Super jumbo.
Yeah.
It's a traditional Japanese noodles. The way they eat, right? Separate ang soup. Ito kay Kuya Moss. Buffet. Diba ba?
Sarap nung ano niya. Ito yung pang-scoop niya.
Now, Kuya is at his main meal. Done with the appetizer
I love the pura.
and the tempura. Now is the main.
So do you like mix it? Do we mix it? Okay. It's so smart. What do you like?
Alam ko eh.
It's like normal noodles. What is this though?
I think it's seaweeds.
Oh, okay.
Sarap ba?
Why is there only like 1 hour though?
Yummier.
Hinahawakan lang ng misis ko. Pero sa misis ko to. Oh, yun.
Hindi mo tinikman?
Sige, tikman natin ng konti. Okay na, ma'am.
Kanina mataas yan eh. Tanda ko eh. Mataas na hanggang dito oh.
Yeah, like earlier it was like in here.
Oh, see?
Now like here.
Talagang kumonte, ah.
So good. But there's also matcha ice cream. No, black tea tastes like
So good.
bread. I mean, it's not bad, but like it's not that good either. But it is like a 7 out of 10.
But the ice cream is good na.
It's melting so fast. Hi guys, and now these are the noodles where you can choose to use.
So, ito yung bestsellers nila. Oh, ayan, ha. Bestsellers. Okay. Oh. Sam, ano naman yung kinakanta mo, anak? Lakas-lakasan mo. Oh, Sam, ano naman yung nasa likod mo?
Oh, it's a picture of Subway fruit malphite.
Ah, yung ano.
Habang hawakan mo, babayad na ako.
That's Sila gonna go now. Gonna go now.
Oh, anak. Nabusog ba kayo? Oh, Moss. Saan ang lugar na to?
It's
Ang lugar nito sa Almina, Jumeirah. Oo. Oh, Mo, Sam. Invite them.
And guys, I really like this, and yeah, it's really good, but like always order 1 by 1 since it may look small, but like the serving is really big. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow us on our TikTok channel.
Okay.